So back in the early 90s, sending and receiving payments online between individuals was not an easy process. And people didn't even imagine of such transactions. Now everyone knows about the world's largest and most famous online payment system, PayPal. So what's good, people? Welcome to SmartSide. In today's episode, we'll be talking about evolution of world's first and most successful online payment system. So let's get started. Now let's dig into the history of PayPal and learn about its journey to success. And I'm pretty sure you won't regret it, as it is a phenomenal one. The rise of the internet had opened up unpredictable possibilities to connect people. And where opportunity shows up, money is quick to follow. So before the dot-com bubble, which was in 1988, the currency took form in coins and notes. The dot-com mania was intense but short. The 18 months of insanity from September 1998 to March 2000 was a Silicon Valley gold rush. There was money everywhere. Every week, dozens of new startups competed in the Silicon Valley. And one such revolutionary startup arrived in the beginning of dot-com bubble was PayPal. So PayPal's history begins back in 1998 as Confinity by Max Levchin, Ken Howrey, Duke Nosek and Peter Thiel. The founders wanted to create a new internet currency to replace the US dollar. This idea was both simple and efficient. They focused mainly on fast and low-cost payments. The first product let people beam money from one Palm Pilot to another. So Palm Pilot was a specific device called a personal digital assistant, in short PDA, and only a few people owned this device. However, nobody had any use for that, except the journalists, who voted it one of the worst business ideas of 1999. So they got better and decided to create a new way to send and receive payments over email. And the best part was that the users could transfer money to anyone, even if they didn't have a bank account. As long as you knew their email, they would still get the money. Then Peter and Max got a better idea, where they would pay people to sign up and refer their friends. So if you want to open an account, here you go $10. Want another 10? Then refer your friend. It gained a skyrocketing success in its early stage of development, mainly due to its referrals. And this even led to a foundation of Refer and Earn, which is now used by many companies like Upstocks, Grow and many other platforms. This got PayPal hundreds and thousands of new customers and an exponential growth rate. Of course, when you pay people to be a customer, there would be an exponential growth. Exponential growth means there would definitely be an exponential cost structure. Still, PayPal had a clear path to profitability by charging a small fee on customers' transaction. And a point to be noted is that PayPal wasn't the only such company out there. At the height of dot-com bubble, there were dozens of electronic payment startups, one of which was X.com, founded by none other than Elon Musk. And in March 2000, Elon Musk and Peter Thiel shook hands and merged the two companies. Its rise to fame came when eBay acquired PayPal in 2002 for $1.5 billion. And then PayPal started to grow across the world, accepted by many online merchants. So after a 16 years relationship, eBay decided to part ways with PayPal. By 2014, it had grown too big for eBay to handle. So PayPal spun off and now the company will remain as a payment option for eBay shoppers until July 2023. PayPal had struggled with fraud and privacy issues since its very beginning, but its dramatic expansion greatly magnified these problems. Today it is once again a publicly traded company and its user base is bigger than ever. And over the past 10 years, PayPal has acquired half a dozen companies related to online payments. So now, ladies and gentlemen, PayPal is the world's most successful online payment system, enjoying the title of most secure and the safest platform in online payment industry, having over 200 million active users, available in 202 countries around the world. PayPal's history reveals that the company knows how to accelerate its growth and also deliver a seamless service to its customers. And now PayPal is one such company which makes the world a convenient place. So that's all from my side today, guys. If you have learned something valuable, please do like the video and please don't forget to subscribe. So thank you and see you in the next video.